perfect spot to take a nap. I'm in San Francisco. SFO. If you walk towards gates A11 to A15 downstairs. As you walk downstairs, there's 2 levels. There's this first one that has A11 and A12. You just make a right or a left. They have more sofas down there too before you go all the way down. So A12. So you're in the Vegas airport. If you're in the D terminal, D as in David, you're gonna walk upstairs. There's a Starbucks. And right behind the Starbucks are really nice comfy sofas to take a beautiful nap. Yes. Beautiful. If you are in Terminal A, walk towards A29, A28. And you'll see the beautiful couches. Take a nap. Alright, so if you are in Guayaquil, Ecuador, in the international terminal, right across from City Bistro, this little area. It's between Terminal 7 and Terminal 8. Got these little bad boys. Take a little nap.